Don't just watch, speak with me. This video will improve your English in just 5 minutes. Hello everyone, welcome to Speak with Sakina. Today we are going to practice English together, so don't skip, repeat after me. Level 1 is basic to better. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. I am very tired. I am completely exhausted. I am completely exhausted. Repeat after me. I am completely exhausted. I am completely exhausted. The next is I'm very hungry. Say I am starving. I am starving. Repeat after me. I am starving. I am starving. I'm starving. I'm starving. Repeat after me. I am starving. So next is I am very happy. Don't say that. I am absolutely delighted. I am absolutely delighted. I am absolutely delighted. Repeat after me. I am absolutely delighted. Very good. Say it one more time with confidence. I am completely exhausted. I am starving. I am absolutely delighted. I am absolutely delighted. Level 2 Daily Life Sentences. I'll say it, then you repeat. First is I am learning English every day. Repeat after me. I am learning English every day. I am learning English every day. I am learning English every day. The next is I want to speak confidently. I want to speak confidently. I want to speak confidently. Repeat after me. I want to speak confidently. Repeat it. I want to speak confidently. I want to speak confidently. So next is I am improving myself. I am improving myself. I am improving myself. Again, a little faster. I am improving myself. So repeat everything in one line, okay, one way, which is I am learning English every day. I want to speak confidently. I am improving myself. I am learning English every day. I want to speak confidently. I'm improving myself. I'm learning English every day. I want to speak confidently. I am improving myself. So level 3 is confident practice. Now speak with energy. I can speak English. I can speak English. Repeat after me. I can speak English. I can speak English. I can speak English. I am not afraid of mistakes. Repeat after me. I am not afraid of mistakes. I am not afraid of mistakes. Repeat after me. I am not afraid of mistakes. I'll become fluent. I'll become fluent. Repeat after me. I'll become fluent. I'll become fluent. I can speak English. I'm not afraid of mistakes. I'll become fluent. Level 4 is mini conversation practice. Now let's practice a small conversation. How are you? How are you? Repeat after me. How are you? How are you? Okay, so I am doing great. I am doing great. What about you? I'm doing great. What about you? Repeat after me. I am learning English. I am learning English. I am learning English. Repeat after me. How are you? I'm doing great. What about you? I'm learning English. Listen carefully, this is very important. Don't just watch videos, speak loudly. Practice daily for 5 minutes. That's how you become fluent fast. Now comment below I can speak English and tell me which sentence was your favorite. If you want daily practice videos like this, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Keep practicing.